and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael, and today we'll be learning about computer network topology. But before we do that, you will want to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more and more videos. So now let's get down to business. The objective for this session is that by the end of this, you'll be able to explain network topology. 2, know the categories of network topology. 3, understand the various computer network topologies. Now let's get down to the main business. What is a network topology? Network topology refers to the physical or logical arrangement of devices and connection in a computer networks. It defines how computers, servers, and other devices are interconnected and communicate with one another. And it has 2 main categories, and they are physical and logical topologies. So now, what's a physical topology? It refers to the physical layout of devices and cables. It shows how computers, servers, switches, routers, and other devices are physically interconnected. And logical topology refers to how data flows within a network. Regardless of the physical design, it shows the route data takes no matter how the cables are connected. So this basically explains that it determines the flow of data within a network. It doesn't matter how the network was physically designed. Yes, logical topology is concerned about how data flows within a network. Moving on. So we talk about the types of network topologies. There are many types of computer network topologies, and today on this session we'll be talking about 6 major network topologies, which are bus, ring, tree, star, mesh, and hybrid topologies. So let's take the first one, bus topology. In bus topologies, all devices are connected to a single central cable called the bus. Each device on the network can communicate directly with the others. However, if the central bus cable fails, the entire network will go down. And this type of topology, data goes across this line. So when a data meant for a particular device are defined, it means that it has to send signals to each and every device, and they must reject it before it gets to the intended device. That's one of the disadvantages. Moving forward to the second one, which is star topology. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch, and this switch, what it does is that it becomes the central point which distributes data to the various nodes connected to it. So each device has a dedicated connection to the central hub, making it easy to manage and troubleshoot individual connection. If one device fails, it does not affect the rest. However, if the central hub, which becomes the single point, fails, then there's a problem with this topology. Now the third one, which we'll talk about, is the ring topology. The devices are connected in a closed loop. It's more or less like the bus topology, but this one is a closed loop, and each device is connected to at least 2 other devices. Yes, data travels around the ring from one point to the other, so from one device until it reaches its destination. Now, ring topologies are less common due to the risk of single connection failure or disrupting the entire network. When the connection fails, it disrupts the entire network, making communication halted. Moving to the fourth point, which is mesh topology. Now, with mesh topology, each device is connected to every other device. So there are fully meshed topologies and partially meshed topologies. So this one, it is fault tolerance and it has high reliability. That if one connection is broken, it can still function properly. That's one of the advantages of mesh topology. And the fifth one, which is tree topology, is a combination of bus and star topology. Now it has a central hub, which is the root connected to multiple devices in a star configuration. Each of the devices can have additional devices connected to them, forming a hierarchical structure. Now, tree topologies are useful for large networks that require subnetworks and hierarchical organization. Moving on to the final type of topology, which is hybrid topology. It combines 2 or more types of topology. That's how the name even sounds, hybrid. It means that two different things connected together. So this one connects two different topologies. It can use hybrid, it can use a ring and bars, it can use tree and mesh. You can combine it. It makes it flexible and it suits complex network requirement. Now, finally, each network topology has its strength and weakness, and the choice of topology depends on factors like the size of the network. If it's a small organization, the ring is perfect, but it's for a big organization, hierarchical topology is the best. And the choice of the desired level of redundancy, cost consideration, and the specific needs of the organization or application. And in conclusion, we learned that network topologies refers to the physical or logical arrangement of devices and connections in a computer network, with major types being the ring, the bars, the mesh, the tree, the star, and the hybrid topology. And each topology has its own advantages and disadvantages. Also, network topology is grouped into two main categories named logical and physical topology. And the logical, as we said, is about how data flows within a network, and the physical is about the physical layout of devices and cable, how they are designed physically, how they are positioned. That is what this physical topology is about. Now, thank you for completing this session. You may want to click the subscribe button once again, like and drop your comments for more interesting video. Thank you.